All right, everybody. This is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I've had my dry run. I was just totally into explaining everything, and I realized that I did not have a microphone on. So, now that you've had your laugh for the day, I just wanted to explain how I came to be involved in Back to Eden gardening. When I first started gardening, I had a approximately 3-foot by 6-foot patch where I had 3 pepper plants and 3 tomato plants. It was during that summer, my dad came over, tilled up the ground, and then he brought those plants over, and it was really neat to sit there and get out there every evening and water the plants and take care of that little garden patch. And the next year I wanted something a little bit more, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, until I had about half of my yard taken up with garden. Around that time I got a notice from the ordinance officer in our town saying that I needed to clean my carport roof off because it had weeds growing up out of the top of it. Those weeds were, it was a pain in the butt for me. But those weeds were my introduction to Back to Eden gardening. When I got up there, I found some of the nicest compost that anybody could ever see. As a matter of fact, I probably need to go up there again because it's been several years since I cleaned it out. That year, shortly after I cleaned out that compost, and I went and I put that on my garden because I knew I wanted that good dirt on my garden, I got invited down to Kentucky where I saw the Back to Eden film. And suddenly everything clicked. I just knew that that was what I needed to do. And the process after that was something that I'll share with you in the next video. But anyway, that was my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.